through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so cool inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins, for me he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was done. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to wake you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you.
What up, chat? What up, what up? Welcome in. Happy October. Who's ready to roll? W's in the chat. Let's get it. Welcome, welcome.
Recording in progress. Recording stopped.
We are good to go. Welcome in. Welcome in.
Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise.
All right.
Lead me
How's
to your
everyone doing? Good
altar.
to be back.
Wash away my shame.
Good to be back. Happy October. How you guys doing? Happy Tuesday. Welcome in. Welcome in. Missed you guys yesterday, man. Who we got here today? Ecom Dre in the house. Z Gamer is in the house. Stephen B is in the building. What up, Stephen B? What up, J Mac? What up, Only Bands? Good morning, Richard Lewis. What up, Zebs? What up, Mr. BTC? PM Magnifico in the house. What up, PM Magnifico? Ewan in the building. Good morning, Tamra. What up, Rob Trades? My man. Jason C in the building. What up, Ricky? What's good? What's good? George VDM in the house. Long time no see. What up, Wokey? Yo, yo. What up, Bear Billa? What up, Tanzeel? Tanzeel. Jay Coop in the house. What up, Jay Coop? What up, Louis G? What up, Stevie Mac? 3 ants in the building. Yo, yo, yo. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Good to see you guys. Happy October. We got a new month ahead of us. Fresh new month. Fresh new month. All right. What up, Michael? What up? What up? Let's get started here today. Let me just send the Zoom link out. One moment. One moment. All righty. Zoom link is out. Hope you guys are well. Welcome in here. If you guys can give the stream a like as you settle on in. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's ask for a blessing over this next month, and let's begin our day here. Let's pray. What an awesome month it's been of September. You know, kind of started off a little staticky, but ended up closing the month out extremely strong. So we are grateful for that. Let's go ahead and give thanks to that. Let's ask for a blessing on this new month, and then let's go ahead and get started. Let's pray. Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you in the name of Jesus, Lord. We thank you that you did bless our month, Lord, that you have blessed this whole entire year, Lord. We thank you for the work that you do and that you continue to do on our land here, Lord. We thank you for impacting hearts and minds and improving lives here all through this live stream. So we thank you for it. We thank you that your presence is among us. We ask for your presence to go before us, Lord, here in the next month. We ask that you would bless our path. Your word says that you would go before, that you would make our path straight. So we thank you for that promise. We give you all the glory for the work you're going to do, Lord. I pray for everyone that they would have a blessed and highly favored month of October, Lord. We thank you for it. We give you all the glory in advance for victory, and we thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 Let's go ahead and rock and roll. Let's get started. It's going to be a great month. What a month of September. The slogan here is going to be Uptober, so I hear. So it should be a great month. Volume did kind of slow down a smidge bit in September, and maybe we'll see it pick back up here. We've seen it pick back up a bit towards the end of the month, and now we begin October here. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome into a new month. Treat it like a new year. You guys have New Year's resolutions. You guys have New Year goals. It's time to have new month goals. I set goals every single month, and if you if you had a rocky month of October, don't let that seep in. Or I'm sorry, of September. Don't let that seep into October, right? As I said in the webinar this past weekend, as a trader, you definitely have to have a short-term memory, right? You can't really get too high on the highs. You can't really get too low on the lows. You've just gotta stay composed, man. Just stay steady all throughout the year. Let's make some adjustments this month, though, gang. Right? If you've been struggling and you know that there's one or two things that you need to work on, it's time to work on it. Don't let another month skip by. Because the time is ticking on your dreams. So let's go ahead and get started here today. Let me grab my tools. I think Zoom is out. Yeah. What up, everyone? Good morning, Travis. What's good? Let me just share the music here for Zoom, and let's get the party started. So let me grab my tools. Bam, we're good. All right, awesome. So again, today is October the 1st. So first day of October here, a new month. It's another day. It's another opportunity for us to be disciplined, to be patient in the markets. I'm just here to observe today. If the right opportunities show up, I will gladly take positions. But before we do that, I want to see what we have going on in the news. It looks like we're pretty clean up until right here. Right, so up until right here is where we come into play. That's going to be at 10 a.m. So a little bit towards the tail end of our session here today. We will have some USD stuff coming on the news. I specifically the ISM manufacturing PMI and the JOLTS job openings here. So those are going to be our big red folder news events here today. Again, not going to go down till later on. Excuse me, but definitely good to be aware of and know about. So let's do a technical analysis. Let's do a breakdown before NY Open, and let's get a read on the markets here. If you guys can like the stream, give the stream a like as you settle in, relax, and let's do a fresh breakdown here. Y'all ready? Ready? Let's do it. Where is it? Pull up the charts. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and do a fresh top-down analysis. Let's take a look at the daily time frame and let's rock and roll. So let's talk about this daily time frame here. Gold has been extremely bullish, right? We've been extremely bullish. We were making our way up very nicely. Then we started to consolidate here for a little bit. We pushed out of that consolidation. No problem, came back down, created a brand new support here, and we have just been pumping ever since. So it's been quite the bullish rally here on the daily time frame and on the higher time frame itself on gold here. Now, although we did create support, we finally closed bearish the other day and created a brand new resistance, right? So what I mean by that is this bearish candle, after that closure has happened, you have a brand new resistance there, right? So obviously you see this candle now off of resistance start to push down, fill the wick, and look, we really don't have much of a targeted zone until we really get down into that support area, right? So the daily, although it looks bullish right now, it can easily flip bearish and continue driving down, I'd say somewhere into this like orange, or yeah, is that orange? Orange zone, right? So we'll see about that. We are extremely bullish on gold, right? So at the same time, we could also be attempting to create some new support for price to just continue driving bullish here, right? So I am both open for buys and sells today, depending on what the lower time frames are looking like. Let's go ahead and drop down to the 4-hour chart, and let's see what we got going on here on the 4 hours. So very interesting chart here. So you've been moving up ever since the market opened, right? So you had this support form, you had this nice rejection to the downside. Next candle closed, but it closed with no top wick on it. So we know that if a candle closing with no top wick, that there's now like a 50-50 chance that the next candle can continue moving up. And in this case, price did keep moving up, right? And we kept moving up. And now we're just continuing to move up here. So we've got clean range coming into that resistance level here on the 4-hour chart. Man, we've been so bullish. So bullish here. So I don't think we've had much of a pullback on the 1 hour. Let's drop down and see what the 1 hour looks like. Yeah, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 9th 1 hour bullish candle. 9th bullish 1 hour candle here in a row. So we are filling this range to the left hand side. We've got a little bit more distance to go. We'll see if we can get up there, but yeah, we do have a little bit more range to come into. You're also kind of driving into this range now as well and beginning to reject it there. So we'll see what happens on the 1 hour. Very hard to get bearish here until you get a 1 hour closure, just because everything else has been a bit of a fake out here, right? Fake out. So everything else has been a bit of a fake out there. So again, I like buys, but I feel like we're just a little too overextended at the moment, unless we do create some sort of a 30-minute support here in about 9 minutes. So let's mark off our ranges here. So 15 minutes got support sitting right here. You know, you also have this resistance to the left. Let's go ahead and look at what we got going on. Above that, you do have a 42 pip range. So I like the buys sitting above there. Let's go ahead to the downside here, take a look. So for sells here today, yeah, sells are good because we got this overextended move coming on here, but you know, it's very choppy on the way down. Very choppy. So I think if you get a second closure back below here, that would make sense for sells here today. New closure back below, you should be good to drive down, come into these ranges here, and that's probably what I'm gonna be looking for when it comes to sells here. So I think what I'm gonna do is treat this as a no trade range. So this zone right here, this would be like a no trade range here, and then anything above there looks pretty good. You know, gold stay on this bullish run here. Everything looks pretty good above there, and then, you know, same thing below. So that's kind of like my day, what I've got planned. Gonna stay out of that red zone and then look for positions, you know, above or below it today. So that is that's the day for me. 15-minute consolidating a little bit now, starting to arrange a little bit, smaller candles coming up, and we'll see what we want to do now. Yeah, 4 hours still pretty bullish. Again, you still got more range to move up here on both 4 hour and 1 hour charts. So no fades for me. It would have to be a closure below. Yeah, it had to be a good solid close below. A good old-fashioned closure. So yeah, so that's gonna be what I'm looking at here today. You got pretty decent room coming up here, man. You got minor support sitting like minor resistance sitting about like 40 pips up, and then you got about a 70 pip range up there. So we'll see, man. Gold hasn't really been trying to throw too many retracements at all. Just one bearish candle, new support, and away it goes. So pretty bullish here today. We'll see what happens as we get above this resistance here. Cool. That is the day. Boom. All right. Let's make it purple. Let's clone it. Bam. Yeah, I mean, I do still like sells, obviously, because we are bearish here on the day, on the daily, but the 4 hours giving us some different ideas here. That's also the re-break of the 4 hour high. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Any questions, comments, concerns? What you guys got? What you guys got, chat? I missed you yesterday. Yesterday we I was all getting ready to stream and internet was down, and I'm like, damn. So ended up booking a tea time. Found out the router couldn't get replaced till like 1 p.m. So I'm like, all signs are calling for me to go golf. Last day of the month, internet quaking. Yeah. Book the tea time. What up, Buzz Blab? What's good? What's good? What's up, DT Gamer? Morning, Wags. How you doing? What's up? Spidey FX, man. Spidey FX, man. Yeah, so how'd you guys do yesterday? What up, Wiz Buddha? What up, Diogo? Same analysis. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, LeGrand? How are you, brother? Nobody knows nothing, Wiz Buddha. What's up, Shelly? What's up, Mr. Profits? I like that name, Mr. Profits. Mr. Profits. OGH, he's in all the chats. He's in the Zoom chat. He's in the YouTube chat. What up, AB Mike? What's good? What's good? Would I still take sells? Yeah, at 8:15 or 8:30. Yeah, I would be interested here. Chala was holding it down. Chala, stay holding it down in here. I figured someone would pop on voice chat. Only need 800 to pass my combine. Let's go, Pat. Let's go, brother. I think I'm right there with you, man. We took a little loss there in London. I'm what am I? 700 away? Yeah, 700 away. I was like 400. Let's see. What's up, Nico? How are ya? What up, Daniel? What's good? What's good? Engineer 14. What's goody? Standings are looking good on the comp. I don't have the this week's standings, but congratulations to everyone who made it into the top 10. You guys crushed it. Crushed it, man. I think we had, I gotta ask TK, I forget the exact number that we had, but we had a solid amount of people sign up. So for you to come in the top 10, top 20 is just official. Official. Rob Fades in the building. He's fading. What up, 11th hour? $15-minute onion. 15-minute onion. Which one? This one? Oh, NASDAQ. Oh, yeah. Let's take a look. Oh. Yeah, let's do an analysis here on the NASDAQ. So, looking pretty bullish for the most part. Pretty bullish here on... what's going on? Pretty bullish here on NASDAQ on the daily time frame after pretty nice rejection to the downside, right? Plus support being formed. So you got a pretty nice move here. 4-hour did close bullish there. 4 hours in a bit of a choppy range right now. So it's, you know, might be struggling a little bit. You kind of got this you know, nasty tight range going on the 4 hour. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is moving pretty bearish in a nasty range too. Yeah. Sells are good, but sells below 2027, I think it is. It looked best to me. Unless you're Rob fades and you catch this. I mean, that's perfect. But then if you can't get perfect, you gotta settle for down here. Maybe below here, but I do like this a little bit better. Yeah. Other than that, I like buys. I'm very bullish here on NASDAQ. So let's see if you remain above these zones. Then I think the buys are still in play here. Yeah. So I would look for like fake outs for buys. Fake outs for buys around there, and then there's decent sells if you close below here. Closure below. Yeah, maybe you got a new support right here, and then buys back up. NY open is here. I think we closed in the range, right? Yeah, so we closed in the range here. So 815 might be the play. If we can get a closure above at 815, it looks pretty good. Ecom Dre, how we feeling? Yeah, look at that hourly candle. Dang. The hourly candles just will not give up. Look at the fight that they're putting up here. Just trying to continue pushing bullish. What did close bearish? Nothing? 5? Yeah, it's the 5. What's up, Green? Greenery. Oh wow, Raja's doing seminars in Bangkok. Holy. Green, holy. What up, C Melee? Yeah, it was a perfect day for golf yesterday. It definitely was. It's beautiful out. Not too hot, a little bit. Back 9, it started getting pretty hot. We didn't play till later in the day too yesterday. Like I said, it was like we booked it last minute. Booked it last minute. I think our tea time was like what, 12:30, 12:45? Yeah. True. Hey, give me a sec. Let me I don't have any water here, so give me a minute. I'm gonna be right back. Holy. Oh, we're pushing. Telling you can't stop gold's bullish run. Can't stop the run. Sells below support and not a fake out for buys. Yeah, so I was thinking that too. So I think I would probably look for range 2 sells a little bit more, right? Because these sells really don't. There's no logic here. There's no break of a low. There's no break of a 4-hour low. No, nothing, right? So plus I think it's a little jammed up here. So I think range 2 sells would work best for me below there. Yeah, I'm pretty damn bullish on gold here today. Yeah, good eye, good eye. Yeah, I was actually, that's so weird because I was just thinking about that on my way back here. Seen ya. Yeah, I seen you too, Spence. I seen ya. I seen ya. I seen you, and I seen 2 or 3 other guys. What are we trading? We're trading gold here. Gold. Who's first time ever on the live stream? Anyone? Anyone's first time ever today here right now on the live stream? We are trading gold here. A little bit of NASDAQ, mostly gold. We're getting acquainted with NASDAQ. Pia Magnifico, well, welcome. That's awesome. We've got a lot of new people. Welcome in, welcome. Hopefully you can find this stream and educational and maybe sometimes entertaining. But we're here to help you win. We're here to help you learn. So if you got questions, just ask them in the chat. There are such things as stupid questions, but I would say, you know, it's not bad to ask them if you got them. Oh, look, we're pushing here. We're pushing. Let's see that 4-hour rebroke the high there. Yeah, you can't stop the run here on Goldie. Good questions get good answers. Anytime we've got really, really good questions being asked, there's lots of value. Lots of value. So if you guys have good questions here today, I am here to help you. I'm here to serve you. I'm here for about another hour and a half-ish, hour 45 minutes. So let's make it fun. Let's make it educational. What's up, BCRYS Infinity? Hey, yo, Armor of God Protections in the house. What's good? What up, Josh? Nice to meet. Yeah, shout out to Nightbot. Everyone say hello to Nightbot. What's my risk and reward? I would say right around 2R-ish. As of lately. Anything 1R I'm good with. So anything 1 to 1 I'm straight. But average winner is about 333. Average loser is about 233. So I would say 1R to 2R. Doesn't it say here what your RR is? No. I could have sworn it said your RR here. Maybe not. Oh. 1.4. There you go. I would say 1.5 R. Yeah, right around that. How does the clubhouse work? You will so the clubhouse is a live streaming network pretty much. So we stream Asian, we stream London and New York session. So like we stream, and when it comes to New York, we start like the time I started here today. You'll have access to Zoom. If you don't have access yet, just give it like an hour or so. Let everything process. I'm not sure if you just like joined like an hour or two ago, it may take like another hour or so to get in. But once you get in, you will have access to all these like exclusive Discord channels here. And yeah, you'll be able to join all the live streams. We also do weekly webinars, which are very educational, every Saturday morning at 11 a.m. Eastern. You could be a part of those, and then you'll have all the recordings and all that good stuff as well. Yeah, welcome in. I'd say give it a few minutes, give it a little bit, and you should see everything in Discord. TK, oh look at that. TK said he was just emailing you. He probably needs your Discord name. Yeah. If I had to use any indicator, which one would I use? Probably some sort of like volume indicator, which I actually am looking into right now. Working with a company that has a pretty good read on data when it comes to volume. There's actually this company called Edgeful. I don't know if you guys ever heard of them, but they have some pretty cool features when it comes to data. One of them that I'd like to use is the volume data. The other one I'd like to use is they have you know how our system has a lot to do with us like retesting highs and lows. So they have a data sheet where they have basically the probability of the opening high, being retested after it makes a low. So I'm curious to what their data shows and how accurate it is. It's like over the course of the last 6 to 8 months, so it's pretty recent data as well. So yeah, that's probably the only one I would use. Maybe like a volume indicator. I used to like the Fibonacci. I would say that's probably my favorite tool, the little chicken Fibonacci here. But now I've basically trained my eye to see the Fibonacci, and I don't enter off of just levels anymore. I enter off of like candlestick confirmations now, so it's a little different. So I don't really find the need for it anymore. Yeah, I typically like to just use, one or two ranges and then just play it range by range. Man, no wick here at 8 a.m. NY Open. Nothing. I fell asleep in London with no stop loss. No, just kidding. Yeah, London was a great session here today. London, we took a 12 pip loss. We went like 12, 13 pips in profit, didn't close anything, and just let it rock, and did the oddest thing here. Look at this 5-minute candle. Where is it? Where was it? I think it was. Where was that? Where was that sell? Am I bugging? Right here? Yeah, right here. Yeah, candle came up and down, and it was wild. It was a good first trade. It was entertaining. 15-minute closure, a little bit below resistance. Like I said, you may end up filling this whole range, but you got no bottom wick on that candle there. 15's closing right at a resistance level, so nothing A plus in front of us right now. Nothing A plus. We'll be waiting for A plus setups as always. News is coming in at 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. So news comes in about an hour and 45 minutes. Have I ever traded any stocks? I have not traded stocks. No. Nope. Not for any particular reason. I think I just never. It didn't come in. It didn't come to my desk. You know, it never kind of really showed up on my radar. Yeah, ASFX actually does use Edgeful. I'm not exactly sure what Austin uses it for, what like data he grabs from it, but they have an insane like amount of data on all different type of ideas and moves, and it's pretty cool. Time for TTE should be a stock. Should we go public? Let's take a look at NAS here for the NY Open. Who's got good questions today? I really want to help you today. Whether it be mindset, mentality, business, entrepreneurship, personal branding, personal growth and development, trading, marriage, relationships, spiritual. I'm literally an open book here today. I'm fired up out of my mind. I'm good. I'm happy to be back. So if you guys have any questions, now's the time to let them rip. Let them rip. Let it rip, Tater Chip. Yeah, Naz is still trying to. I would wait for support here. Did you get it? You got it on the 15, but 30. I think the 30 needs the support. Yeah. GC. Back to GC. When did I break away from Don and Raja and only focus on my own trades? So everything planned out. Everything kind of panned out perfect for me because Raja is like the main guy who I really studied off of, and he ended up moving to Pakistan, so he naturally just wasn't available as much anymore. So that's when I started watching Don and all that, and then pretty much Don then started switching up his strategy a bit, and that's when I was getting ready to move to Florida. And when I moved to Florida, I just felt the calling to run a live stream. You know, I just felt like I didn't know why God wanted me to do that, but he did. So I just listened, right? And I started the stream, and you know, I just was like, all right, let me just show people how I trade. Like, just not trying to do too much, just trade publicly and, you know, see what kind of response we get. And yeah, so we got that. I don't even know. What was the question again? Oh yeah, break away from Don and Raja. Yeah, so once Don and them started trading like that 5-minute strategy, I really didn't know what they were doing there, and I haven't really paid attention to them since. So yeah, I just felt like, you know, Raja was doing his thing. You know, he was moving and grooving, living his life. Don was switching up the strategies, and it was my time to take advantage of what I learned. I was already pretty profitable, so I felt like, hey, let's step away and let's just start my own thing. And that's kind of like when I started the live stream and all that. Best thing to do physically and mentally after taking a loss, just breathe. Breathe deep. Deep breathing helps everything. So take a deep breath, understand that losses are part of the game, and then go take a walk or something, man. I enjoy walks. Anything, car ride, walk. Just understand that when you take a loss, you don't always have to go, you know, ponder upon your entire life existence, man. Like, losses are a part of the game here. I know IG and TikTok and your gurus out there are gonna just tell you that, hey, a loss is like, you know, that's like a fossil. We never get those, but trust me, everyone gets losses, whether they show them or not. You're gonna get losses. I'm gonna get losses. Your guru's gonna take losses, and they're just part of the game. So don't stress too much about it, please. It's just a losing trade. They happen all the time. Take it from someone. I don't know how long you've been trading. I've been trading for over 5 years. Losses happen all the time. crush gold on data, but on live, you mean demo, but on live, no need to understand this in terms of psychology. Yeah, well, you know, so you see how you have that I don't give a crap what happens on your demo? You have to learn how to bring that into your live account. I know that doesn't make sense to you, but you have to have this nonchalant, who cares what happens type of mentality, because truly it doesn't, you can't predict it, right? We're playing a probability game. So that means we don't know what the result of the next trade will be. We just know that the next 100 trades will add up to something, right? But we don't know what the next 1, 2, or 3 will give us. So there's nothing, we can't do anything about it. Can't do anything about it. How to clear self-doubts? You have to understand what the promises are, right? You have to go to the word. Once you go to the word and you realize the promises that are over your life, and if you haven't gotten to the word yet, that's no surprise, right? They're trying to distract us. They're trying to keep us away from the word of God, right? Which has promises in it and power in it. So they're going to put all these other things in front of you. And a lot of those other things, guess what they breed and push into us? Fear, doubt, anxiety, what's it called? Whatever, misery or whatever, right? So you got to focus on what is good, what is pure, what is right. You know what I mean? And that's the word. So once you understand the promises that are over your life, you begin to start doubting your doubts, right? Because they're just lies from the enemy. Remember, the enemy's job in the spiritual realm, because everything goes down in the spiritual realm before the physical realm, believe it or not. And his job is to do what? What is it? To steal, kill, and destroy everything you've got. So you got to protect this house right here. See that? When I start talking, the lights start flickering. See it? They don't want to see us win. What's Raja's channel? I think it's just Raja Banks. How do you come analysis paralysis? You stop trying to be right on every trade. So the reason you get analysis paralysis is because you're trying to avoid a loss. So you're thinking, well, this buy looks so amazing, but you know, that thing that happened on September 19th of 2014 is in the way, right? Like, no, like you're just trying to avoid a loss at that point. So the best way to do it is just pretend that it is not up to you anymore. If the playbook shows up, you have to execute. You got to execute. And once you wrap your mind around the fact that you're playing a probability game, then you can better understand the way it works, right? So understanding that, again, going back to that last question, you know, the next 1, 2, 3 trades ahead of you are completely random. The outcome is completely random, right? But the next 100 trades, the outcome is not random. So depending on what playbook you use, what system you use, you're going to have a percentage, right? A win rate. And whatever that is, the 100 trades should add up to it. So if it's 50-50, it should be 50-50. If it's 60-40, it should be 60-40. In our case, it's like, let's just say 70-30, right? So that means that the next 1, 2, or 3 trades, I have no idea which one they're going into. I just know that they're going either into the 70 or they're going into the 30. And at the end of 100, the win rate should be about 70%, right? But the next trade here today or tomorrow or the next day, I don't care what happens, right? I just care about taking the proper executions. So the results don't matter to me. I don't need to force results. The results will come at the end of the 100 trades. How can you possibly control greed? Get grateful. Get grateful for what you got. No need to be greedy. Remember, just understand that most of the time greed is the downfall. Can you explain a fair value gap? I can't. Not that I don't want to. It's just I can't. I don't even know what that is. I've heard of it. I've heard it a million times, but I don't know what it is. All right, 30 closure coming up in 4 minutes. 15 trying to push through. You can't stop the bull run on gold. Can't stop it. Yep. Ooh-wee. Yeah, if you guys aren't in the clubhouse, join the clubhouse. This is where we go deep into conversations. I think we went pretty deep in London. What would you say today, eh? London? We went pretty deep there tonight. But yeah, you know, these topics of personal growth and development and trading tend to happen quite often in the clubhouse. Moving away from your hometown's a life hack. I agree. I definitely agree. Yep. If you could do it young too, that'd be awesome. Like my brother John is 19 and he's already out of his hometown. So if you could do it young, that'd be great. Yeah, the best, what we could also do here is just wait, right? We gotta wait on support. As much as you want to take a position so bad, I think the best bet is to wait on support to form. Right? Come down, create support, boom, and then we take more buys here. Right? This will be your confirmation candle here. Oh, that's not a confirmation candle. That's your arrow confirmation candle, and then this would be your trading candle. So we really just want to see that support form. If we can get that support, that'd be awesome. I will not be fading today. Gold has humbled me when it comes to fading against the higher time frame rally, so I won't be fading much here today, but I will be waiting for a support. What's my thoughts on the no bottom wick? I personally stay out of no bottom wick unless the next candle makes one. Yeah, so there's two things that I see. So one, I see that if you have a candle that closes with no wick at the bottom, there tends to be a ton of bullish volume in the market at that point, where this candle, when it opened up, it couldn't even come down and make a wick like that, right? So no sellers in that candle at all. And then that'll lead to a lot of bullish volume. And then next thing you know, you'll get this boom push up. So that tends to happen. But then, yes, there's also these other times where typically during NY Open or like where there's a little bit of volatility, I will tend to wait for price to kind of come down. We call this one like the pack runner. And then once it flips or re-breaks the high, that's where I like to get in. Yeah. That tends to work a lot. Yep. Good read. Yeah, if you can make that rule, you know what I mean, where it's like, hey, if there's no wick on the bottom, then I don't take the trade. That's totally fine. Yeah. Me personally, if it's got no top wick, that's where it gets very troublesome for me. But the bottom wick is so-so. Last October, let's take a look. So this was last year in October. This was 2023. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 and 5 and a B. So this is when we started slowing down there last year. Everything, as you can see, was a lot slower last year. Look at September last year. Look at August. August, I think, yeah, every month this year we've had a higher amount of trades than the year before. So we've definitely picked up in volume a bit. We've also added a setup to our playbook. as well this year. And then, you know, the last month or so, we've been trading damn near every session. So that also helps. Yeah. June was our best year. I think June might have been my best month ever in trading. Yeah, this year, gang, has been my best year in trading. So happy to be here with you guys, doing it together, being an example, going through the ups, going through the downs together, and overall just making one hell of a year together. Yeah, man, it's been great. Been a great year. Really, really good year. Really good year. You know, I was telling the London session, someone asked me, yo, how can you say you love me? You don't even know me. At the streams, you'd be like, well, I love you guys. I'm like, it's true, I don't know you. But I love you because you're here, man. You're here, you're a winner, you're separating yourself. A lot of you guys are dead broke right now, hoping on with hope and a dream. Those are the type of people I love. You know, winners, fighters. People are going to go against the grain. People aren't afraid to take an apple in the face, a tomato in the face here and there for going against the grain. So y'all should be really proud of yourself, especially those who have been here with me day in and day out. I mean, sheesh. Sheesh. You guys have been with me all year. All year. Highs and lows. You know, a lot more highs than lows, though, this year, which is always good. And now we move into October. October's very own. Yeah, I love winners. I love people who separate themselves, even if they're dead broke. I love people who don't make excuses. So when I say, hey, I love y'all, that's the reason. I love people who are consistent, who go after it, who look at doubt and failure in the face and just freaking laugh at them. Say, you'll never stop me. Ever. No one should be able to steal your dream. Nobody. Not even your own mama. Not even your own significant other. If my wife told me, yeah, I don't want you doing this business stuff, man, no one could tell me no, right? And you may say, well, what if she did? Trust me, if she was that type, I wouldn't have married her. Right? No one's gonna steal my dream. Nobody. And that's the attitude you gotta have. You know, you gotta keep it funky, man. God called you for a reason. Time to get busy. Not Marvin's room. Hey, yo. I haven't heard that one in a minute. Wouldn't heard in a minute. Marvin's room. Yep. Doesn't matter who you are, what you do. You will not steal my dream. You guys have to protect your dream like that. You know, I know you guys are adults and mature, and you guys are professionals, but man, you guys got to start dreaming again. You got to start dreaming again. You got to start bringing out that little kid in you again. That's how you get freedom, man. I got people asking me now, aren't you satisfied? Aren't you satisfied? Man, I'm telling you, winners, they don't get satisfied. Girlfriend supportive? W. That's a big plus right there, man. Big plus. I've seen guys, man, their wife just ripped the dream out right out from them. Those are the times where I ask them, well, how big is your wife? My God. You mean she was able to just rip the dream right out from you? What does she bench, dude? What is she? Big Bartha's here. Fly into Orlando on the 24th. Looking forward to seeing you, Tamra. Yes, I will have plans for us by this weekend. Yes, I think we got a solid head count. So probably expecting 25 plus, I think. So yeah, we will get some stuff in motion now. TFT are still frauds. I won a giveaway and now they aren't giving. Yeah, that sounds about right. It's like going up to a dog that already bit you. Maybe he won't bite me again. Yeah, don't take advice from people who don't have the life you want. Be a very good fruit inspector. Yep. Big Bertha in the house. Yes, amen, Daniel. Amen, man. Amen. I don't know you. I just know you're a winner. I just know you're here every day. I don't know your kids, but I care about their future. I'll tell you that. Care about your kids' future. I want them to have parents that are winners. Parents that got the answers to questions. Feel me? Big Mama. Oh man, Big Mama said. Yup. You want to have the answers for your children. You don't want them to go find them somewhere else. You want to have good wisdom for them. I remember my mentor told me a story about his son. How obviously since his son was born, he was starting personal development, and kid was confident. He knew how to visualize, and his kid was playing in some high-level baseball. And there was a big game on the line. They were down by 2. There was two men on, one on I think second and one on first, and he was up to bat. And it was a big moment, you know what I mean? And you're gonna face these big moments in life too, whether it just be at a baseball game or whether it be in something a little bit more serious. But the baseball was very serious for this kid, and he said, he called his dad after the game, and he said, "Dad, I stepped out of the box and I did everything that you've always told me to do. I visualized myself stepping back in the box, doing my little routine, having that pitch come in, seeing that pitch so clearly and cracking it out of the park to win the game on a walk-off." And that's exactly what happened, and it's fine. I find it unique, that he called his dad and he told him, "Look, I just stepped out and I visualized it, and what my mentor told me, say, what my dad told me in those big moments? Nothing. He didn't know what to say, right? Because he didn't spend time with other like-minded individuals that were going to help him grow. He didn't have mentors, right, that were going to help him, so that way one day he can help his own children and pour into his own children, so that way they can live a better life." So your children and their future are very important, and if you don't have the answers and if you can't get them to dream big, then someone else is going to grab their attention. I want my house to be the house where all the kids come hang out. Let's go over Maverick's house. I want to go down the water slide. You know what I mean? Just have a good time with these little ones. Beautiful line. Which one? This one? This one? This one? Or the one that I said? Hero of the day, chill. Gonna give my future family so much wisdom. Yeah, man. Yep, I remember back when I was hanging out all the time with my mentor and these other guys that were a couple years older than me, they all had some kids, and he looked at me and said, "Nick, you've got the advantage here. you know, you're able to hear all this stuff before you don't even, your wife isn't even pregnant. You're not even married yet. You know, you've got the biggest advantage here to hear everything and see everything. And he was right. I did have an advantage. That way, once I did have kids, I kind of just tossed them right into that system. Yeah, I'm trying to go down that water slide, man. All right, we're gonna get you guys the competition update and get the leaderboard in a few minutes. Give us like 20 minutes and we'll get it all set up for you. King Tuffa, how are you, brother? I was thinking about you over the last couple days. Hope you're well, man. Hope you're well. It's funny, I was just going to hit C Melly up today. See how you're doing. I'm feeling down about having to go back to my old construction job part-time to keep this dream alive. Any suggestions on how to keep the same fire I have now when I get back? Yeah, man, I mean, I'll pray for you, bro. I really will. Brother, that feeling for me is the nightmare. That's something that I was willing to do anything I had to do to escape. And, you know, you have that feeling now. It's probably not the best feeling. So what I would say is I would go look in the mirror and I would say, Ecom Dre, you are never going to be broke again. You're never going to need to rely on other people for an income ever again. You're going to do what needs to be done. You got to lock in, bro. You got to lock in. You can't afford to make mistakes, right? You can't afford to make the same mistakes over and over again if you truly want to get free. You got to get all in, bro. So you got to work your job because you need some money right now. So just think of it as like a source of income to continue to buy you time, right? To figure things out on the markets. I mean, if you're showing up here every day, things should start to begin to click for you pretty shortly, right? Anyone who's been consistently on the stream, I'd say for like 3 months, you guys should have a really good handle on price action now, and now it's just a matter of time before you start rolling a profit. Yeah, but I would just buckle it and say, hey, I never want to feel this way again. Yeah, you can do it, bro. You can do it. The difference between me and someone who still has a job is they didn't care. They didn't have a problem with it. You know who had a problem with it? This guy. I had a problem with it. I had a big problem going somewhere I didn't want to go at a time I didn't want to go, to be with people I didn't want to be around, to do something I didn't want to do for a paycheck that barely even paid my bills. I was never buying into that. So don't buy into it. You know, get the job done. Use it for income real quick and set your exit strategy and get going. Yeah, never understood it. Never clicked with me. And then if you're married, you know what I mean? He goes one way, she goes the other way, right? Every day. He goes this way. They start here at home. He goes to his profession. She goes to her job, right? He has his set of friends, his employees, Bill, Tom, Jim, Joe, you know. She has her friends, Susie, Sally, Amanda, Becky, right? And they have 2 different friends. By the way, where do the kids go? Wait, we forgot about the kids. Where do the kids go? They go here all day. So while dad's over here and mom's over here, kid stays here. Kid learns from someone else, right? So I never liked this. I never wanted this thing to go down in my life, right? Where I went this way, my wife went that way. I had my friends, she had her friends. I bet you never heard your wife scream at your boss, "Shut up!" But I'm sure she's done that to you once or twice, right? I'm sure she goes and think of this one. She goes and she puts on nice clothes and dresses and skirts for him, and then comes back home and throws sweatpants on for you. I had a problem with that. So I don't know. This guy didn't sell out to this. So I created my own way. But that's what's out there for you. Right? If you don't chase your own dream, this is the plan that they have for you. Yeah. Right? So lock in. Build your own life. Create your own life. You don't need to run this system. This system's whack anyway. This system, it feels like life goes by like that. When you get freedom, life slows down. You ever hear people that do this? They go, man, my kids grew up so fast. Yeah, because you weren't there, right? Because 9-10 hours a day, you guys were all separated. You know, and please don't take this the wrong way. This is just what's out there. I'm not, saying that this is what people have to do, right? If they don't go out and build their own dream. So like someone in the chat said, you're going to build your dream or you're going to be hired to build someone else's. So choice is yours. And then what happens? You go, well, I just love my job, because you start making excuses because you're not willing to go after your dream. I just love my job. Everything begins my, me, my. My husband, his job, he loves his job. His job, oh my God, his job is so amazing. It's just so incredible, right? And then you get very caught up in this and programmed to be mediocre. Like, really, would you do it for no money? Well, no one would work a job for no money. Well, people do what they love for no money. So do you love your job or do you go there for the money? Because if you don't go there for the money, I'll take the money. Or we can go give it away. But I don't mean to offend anyone here. I really don't. My heart is right. But this is the system, gang. This is what else is out there. Yeah. I can go much more on this, but I don't think I'm gonna as of right now. Hate your job? Yeah, you don't want to do things you hate, man. Life is precious, but I understand you got to do what you got to do, and you got to get gritty at some point, but like my thing is like it's not bad to be a part of that, but to want to live the dream and go on vacation multiple times a year and be with your family and to think that that's going to get you there is just, I've got to warn you about that. Because that won't cut it. That'll never get you there. By the way, inflation, as you can see, has gone up, but did your paycheck? Did your boss come over and say, hey, hey, Jim, I know gas went up 3 times the amount it was when you first started working here, so we're just going to give you 3 times the amount of pay, just to, make up for the inflation, right? They don't do that. They don't do that type of stuff. It'd be nice if they did, but they don't. Yeah. What's up, Buckers? Yeah, I can talk a lot more on that topic, but I think it's important that we focus on trading here. Here's a 3% raise to match inflation. Word. Never heard that one. Nah, I don't think they take the stream down. I just, I don't want to offend anybody. Save it for the clubhouse? All right, save it for the, ask me about it later on in the clubhouse and we'll dive deeper. Just paid $100 semester fee today for a degree that I don't even want, but my parents have too much emotions attached with. Wow. Yeah. So, you know, my heart goes out to you guys you guys got parents that, you know, will in a way make you go to college, and, you know, that's a lot of money to come up with. And if they're not paying for it, you know, it just never made sense to me. I had some friends that went to college because their parents wanted them to go, but their parents weren't going to pay the bill. And now they're stuck with it. And, you know, they have this big degree, but they're not working in that field. It's just, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. And it was pretty predictable, to be honest. You know, me as a, you know, I got like, you know, not the sharpest tool in the shed, but I mean, I seen that coming from 2013 to 2012, that it was going to be pretty rough for college graduates. Why is the election so important? Every election is very important. You know, you have a change in leadership and policies and all that. So every election is pretty important. College may be one of the biggest scams to ever hit America, to ever hit the world. For most, right? 85% of kids that go to college, they're not doing anything serious, right? They're just going to the best party school and hang out and meet different girls and drink beer, right? They're not going there to be top-notch elite students. Oh yeah, everyone else but your kid. Yeah. How did I begin getting profitable? I had a different system that I was using. It was working. It was okay. I would consider myself probably a break-even trader after like 2 years. But then I switched up my system. I found Raja here. So I was like, in that other system I was using, it was like an intraday type of strategy. So with that, I would hold positions longer. I would notice like a lot of times positions would go in profit, come back and hit me at break even, go in a drawdown. And I would think, damn, you know, I was up 40 pips. I could have just closed some partials there. And I was already thinking that when a friend actually put me on with Raja, and Raja was like, hey, take 10, 15 pips and get out and then wait for the next setup. And I'm like, damn, that makes sense. And so I started learning from him about 2 years into the journey. And then, you know, I still messed up for like probably 6-7 months, but after that, it started to come together pretty good. I've got chills thinking about freedom. If you knew how great freedom was, gang, you would go harder. You got more in the tank. You know, I said it on my IG story the other day. It's like, what ruins your mentality and mindset and confidence the most is the fact that you don't give it all you got, right? What boosts your confidence and your self-image the most? Knowing you gave it all you got. So, you know, what else can you do? I promise you, if you knew how great freedom was, you'd be doing probably more. When we finish the meeting, are you going to work washing bathrooms? Yes, I do have my part-time job that I have to get to after this, which is cleaning up all the bathrooms at the park. Correct. The Mets clinched? Oh, damn, Pablo. Okay. Joe Fargo in the building. How you doing? Let me stop talking about Raja. Hold on. Back to college is a scam. That's right. Check GJ. Send me over a chart, my friend. We'll take a look. I don't have GJ on this chart. Yeah. So I think I'm like about 700 away from passing this combine here. So we'll see. We set out to take this combine here like 2.5 weeks ago. So it's been a good run here so far. We talked about this entire account pretty much at the webinar this weekend. If you guys aren't in the webinar, in the clubhouse, I mean, the webinars alone, I think is just worth it. Even if you can't even make the live trading, the webinars, man, they're gonna speed your learning process up like you wouldn't believe. But yeah, we kind of talked about this account. We talked about my approach, certain things, certain little specific things that I did here on this account. Oh, look at this, 1 to 8. Somebody asked what my RR was earlier. Actually, we're creeping on 2R here. Holy, look at this. Look at time to eat. Creeping on 2R. Sheesh. Sheesh. A little different than last year. A little different, a little different. Why didn't I take the fade on the 15? Because we're in this bullish rally here, so I'm not trying to take any fades or impulse sells down. My plan right now is to wait on a support, and if we can get a new support, then I'm gonna take some buys here. Yeah, I'm anticipating that support being formed right here, or potentially somewhere down here. So wherever we can get support, I like the buys moving back up here. Any selling opportunity? Yeah, I mean, off the resistance here, I think these are scalps. So they're probably going to be like short-lived here. But maybe not. Maybe we continue driving down. But if I'm in a sell here, I'm really kind of targeting that zone, and that's pretty much it, because this is where we may create support. So that would be perfect. What time is it? It's so this is the closure of the hourly candle here, right? So your hourly candle is actually going to close pretty weak here. Now someone brought up that question, hey, what about no bottom wick, right? So look, if you can come down, create a bottom wick for that previous 1 hour candle and do something like this, where price drives down, gives that candle a wick there, and then closes back up. I love this impulse trade here for like 9:15 to start moving back up. And if 9:15 we get the closure above while we're in from here, and then we hold our runners for 9:30. So I don't know if it'll happen that pretty, but we'll see. Time is priceless. That's right. No price on time. Yes. I really want to be like you in terms of knowing and executing on the high probability setups and resisting, you know, the whatever yeah. That's where you go from break even to profitable. Once it's a tiny level up of maturity. I think that's the word for it, maturity in the markets. Or as John Maxwell says, maturity. But if you can develop that and really stick to that, and you know, don't be afraid to try things in trading. You guys, I was saying this to the clubhouse today, you guys are professionals now. Right? You're not these newbie traders that are just, newbie traders have no clue what trading is. They think you just come in here and maybe you can make some money today if it goes down or something, right? But professionals are, they're tinkers, you know what I mean? They're testers. They like to collect data. So how about you just collect data on what would a week look like taking only A+ setups? Test that. Sample size it and see what it looks like. I think you're going to like the results. Yeah, you may have a little bit less trades, but I bet you'll be more profitable. So the question is, do you want to trade or do you want to be profitable? Like, do you want to work at your job or do you want to make money at your job? Yeah, so once you see the result of waiting for the best setups, it's very easy now to just chill out and Sit tight. Yeah, 15-minute looks great here. Looks great. If we could break the lows and all that, even like retest the bottom here, that'd be awesome. And then pull back. Yes, we got news at 10 a.m., my friend. Yup, that's correct. Yeah, and if you are going to be profitable, when? You know, you really got to get involved with like a 1 to 2 year plan. And really, really fixate on that 1 to 2 year plan and work, man. Work. Don't just try and be randomly profitable. Nothing randomly. Success doesn't ever randomly happen. Ever. So no one ever rolls in to like victory and be like, and no one knows who he is. Like, who's this guy? We never heard of him. Right? Nothing happens. No amount of success generally happens by accident. So you got to get serious. Get serious. Really, really commit to like a 1 to 2 year plan for yourself and put your blinders on and just work your trading business. You know, figure it out, ask questions, hire mentors, join groups, pull up to communities, you know, see what works best for you and just lock it in. Remember how many failed challenges I had, right? We counted what, 27, 28? But Nick, I don't know if trading's for me. I just failed my 3rd challenge. I'm sorry, man. I can't feel bad. You know that free challenge you gave me? I blew it. Yo, what? Can't feel bad, man. Can't feel bad for you. I'm sorry. You know that free 25K account you gave me, bro? I don't know what to do with myself anymore. I blew it. Why am I even here? Why am I even alive, Nick? Oh, man. You are looks like gay? I can assure you, my friend, I am not gay. I can't even look at my wife. If I look at my wife, we might have another baby. Yes, Josh. I love that, man. I could totally see that happening for you. If you can see it happening for you, I can see it happening for you. Yeah. They fail like 2 challenges. I'm like, all right, perfect. You got like 30 more to go, and you'll be right up there with me. Dudes are walking down the street with their head down. It's like, dude, you make 120 grand a year at your job. Chill out. You lost a trade, bro. You blew an account. I remember somebody asked me, hey, bro, I've gotten really good on demo. What do I for like 4 months? Now you start to lose some money on your live account for a few months, and then come back and see me. Trust me, your guru's lying. I know you don't think he could lie, but your guru's lying to you, man. Good things take time. What's an A+ setup or a B+ setup or a B setup? How do you know which one is? So my playbook really only consists of A+. So now, what are the conditions? So sometimes the conditions will kind of come into play, where like if you're going against a bias, or maybe you're kind of a little bit far from like a support. So like if you guys trade my playbook, all of those are A+ setups, because over time they all have like a 75+ win rate. So I would consider them all A+. And now it's just about like sometimes the conditions might be in your favor or a little bit against you. So that's how I usually tend to size up and down. But yeah, I went on a big old, you know, year and a half of collecting data, and the playbook that I have basically presented to you over time, that's what I've found that are A+ setups. Yeah, you never know. Oh my God, my wife might be pregnant. Who knows? Who knows? I stared at her a little too long yesterday. How many lots would you suggest on a 100K account? I would say 3 to 5 lots. 3 to 5 lots. Because I want you to think of it this way. It's a 10K account or an 8K account. So whatever drawdown you have on that account, just scratch the face value, the marketing number, and then hone into the real number, right? So if the marketing is 100 grand, then that, and you have you can lose 10%, right? So you can only lose 10%. 10% of 100 grand is 10 grand. So that's what you got. So now you can base your risk off of that. So just consider it that you have now purchased not a 100K account, but you've purchased 10K drawdown to figure it out. You know, so you got 10K to play with to make probably 8K, right? In most cases. So yeah. So I would think of it, I would start to look at it like that versus what is the lot off of the 100K itself. I'm a Colombian immigrant. I'm looking for work in Miami because forex has left me bankrupt. Yeet. Anybody in Miami? Help a brother out. Oh man, you came from forex? Oh damn. Sorry to hear that. How was it, man? Tell us some stories. All right, yeah, if this thing could drive down here, this would be, do you want to restart your computer? No. Perfect, so if we can start pulling back up here and close super weak bearish, that's going to be that impulse entry we're talking about. Green, 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 green. Green was the first guy I told about Kingman. He said, what? Wait, was that Kingman or was that Maverick? That was Kingman, I think. Forex, what's that place? I think I've heard of that land before. Is that dark space in the shadows? All right, we got cars and we got Ubers in Ecuador. If anyone's in Ecuador and interested in an Uber ride, just holla at your boy. TT fam. Do I ever fall back on old habits? Yeah, like last night. Look at this. Just look at it. I mean, gang, can we just appreciate this?
You look at that.
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that? Oh, look at this. You got.
Oh man, hey. Yes. Yes. Like last night. Last night I fell back on an old. This bite right here was truly epic, gang. This was truly epic. Yes, just look at it. Just admire it. This is, I don't know. John's going to have to come up here. John just texted me. He'll be here in like 10 minutes. He's going to have to explain what this is. I forgot. But all I know, it was just incredible. So Sometimes I still get caught up in the food matrix a little bit. Not, I mean, I do really well, but you know, sometimes I'll treat myself for some snack. I had to make my teeth imprints in there for you guys and all that. You know what I mean? That's a cookie right there. That's a cookie. Yes, perfect. Let's see if we can reject here. That's a cookie, man. So yeah, every now and then. And that right there was why I was late for the New York session. That thing will have you slump, not want to wake up at all. Keto cookie? Hell no, we don't do keto cookies. If we're doing cookies, we're doing cookies. If we're doing cookies, we're doing 1,000 calories or nothing. Ecom Dre be eating them keto cookies, not me. Yes, that was cookies and cream. Yes, that was just fantastic. I hate to be a bad influence, but gang, if you have a crumble near you, just try that one time. Just try it. Damn, Nick. I can't believe you just said that. All right, forget you heard me say that. We're going to cut that out of the YouTube. TK, what time is it? 9:12. Let's make sure we cut 9:11 out of the YouTube here today. I don't want to influence anybody on the replay. Yeah, nah, this thing was absolutely just as good as you think it was. Yep. Joey Stu, yeah, he was fiended out, man. He said, yo, I got to run to Wawa. I can stop by if there's an extra one. Bro, there ain't no extra ones. Ain't no extra ones, bro. Yeah, we went full margin at Crumble. That's right. Had to. All right, what time is it here? It's 9:15, so we got 15 closure coming up. I would really like to see this candle close like weaker, but I actually like the impulse buys here coming up. Let's take a look at the stops here. 40, 45 pips, 40, 45 pips. Yeah, they're not bad at all. Not bad at all. I would like to see this one weaker. If not, then I'll probably settle in for 9:30 and then look to get an even better entry. So if this guy closes like anywhere down here, we wait for 9:30 or 9:15 to kind of exhaust, maybe drive down a bit as well, and then 9:30 comes in, and that's where we break the high. Break that high there. Buys look good on the way up. You get a better price, better stop, better move. So we'll see. We got 1 minute for the closure here. I got the. I'm gonna have like 800 people go to Crumble today. I've never had Crumble. I gotta try it this weekend. Try it. Just try it. Just participate like once a month. Once every 2 months. Got caught up in the cookie jar. I don't think I'd ever eat a keto cookie, man. Thought I was carnivore? I'm carnivore-ish. ISH at the end. Carnivore-ish. So I'll still have carbs throughout the week, and then occasionally I'll have a little cookie, a little something. There's a time and a place for everything, you know what I mean? Oh wow, no way. When the cookie crumbles, come see us. That's actually brilliant. You're right. You're right. Hey, my mentor has what he calls it a crumb sucker. So how many of you guys want to be so rich? Just raise your hand in your own house. How many of you guys want to be so rich you get a crumb sucker? So like anytime you're like cutting bread or you got cookies and there's crumbs on the counter, you just literally flick it off the counter on the floor. You hit the switch and this little slit underneath your cabinets, like insane. How many of you guys just want to have a crumb sucker in the house? Balance is key. That's right. That's right. That's right. See you in Asian. Gonna head to school. All right. Later. Later, Gator. Why don't we buy now? You can buy now. So if you want to buy on the break of that high, go right ahead. We should have a lot of volume coming in. I think what I'm going to do is just sit tight. If the 15 closes back above, then that's my cue. That's my cue, and I'll be in there for this move here. If we want to go down another leg here and keep driving bearish, then I will look for the trade that you're going to take right now. I'll look for that down here. So like how it's breaking its own high, I'll look for it down here. So break the high there, and then I'll get in. But up here, I'm just going to probably wait for a closure. Oh yes, Clubhouse members. Clubhouse, all attention, all Clubhouse members. Give the YouTube live stream a like. I know you guys ain't on the live stream anymore, but just head over to YouTube. Head over to Time to Eat Trading and give the stream a little like. Anybody taking these buys? Anybody? They're actually not, they're not bad. Oh, I think Johnny Gems is pulling up. I'm in buys. Nope, I'm in buys. All right, cool. Yeah. I like the bullish idea here. Yep, I like it. You got 10 minutes here for the 15 closure. So everything looks pretty good. No trade for me until after news. Okay, smart idea. Would it be a breakout setup for buys? This would more so be like a fake out here. So like this candle closing back in the range. If it does, then that's probably how I'm going to enter the move. So it'd be more so of like a fake out slash buy off support. Yeah, we do have news coming in. Red folder here at 10 a.m. What up? Hey, there's Dominic. Dominic's in all the chats. What's good? What's good? Calling all Discord members too. Holy. Hey, gang, if you're not in our free Discord, you can join up, man. It says 9,000 traders in here. You guys are more than welcome to come in, join the Discord. Lovely community, like-minded people. I think you'll enjoy it. And there he is. Mr. Gems has arrived. Volume coming in. Johnny Gems coming in.
Let's go.
How are you?
Morning, brother.
How you doing?
I'm doing amazing, brother. How you doing?
It's fantastic. How was your nap?
My nap was incredible, bro. Just got some good rest.
Nice. Nice, nice.
My alarm clock was John. I was like, yo, John, it's 9:30. Gold's about to be moving.
It's 9:30.
So let's go. Yeah, blessed and grateful to be here.
Couple
It's
more
good
minutes.
chat.
Good to have you here. I'll be right back.
Yeah, what's up, chat? How y'all doing? It's good to be back. Another day to build good habits and be patient and disciplined to the plan. Have a great day. The real prize is the journey today, right? So let's focus on the process. Yo, what's up, Miko, Ecom Dre, Z Gamer? Let's go, boys. Let's go, Louis G. Buzz Bub. Yo, YouTube, it's been. Yo, what's up, J Mac? It's good, Nikki. Good morning. Travis. Yo, Travis, did you get some rest, bro? It's good, OGH. What's up, bro? Yeah, good Asian session last night. Good London session. Been fun. How's golf going? Golf's good, man. I actually played yesterday and I made a lot of improvements. So that's what matters most, right? The process. So yeah, made some improvements. Won a couple holes yesterday. So yeah, W. Yo, what's up, Josh? Thank you, my man. Appreciate that. Mr. Barrio Profits. What's up, my man? Good morning. Morning, Andrew. Yeah, how you guys doing today? How's everyone feeling? You guys take any trades? I took one small loss in London. But looking to bounce back, looking to operate like the casino does, right? And just win with consistency and just have the odds in my favor, right? Have the odds in my favor, and then with consistency, I should win and I should be profitable. So I'm just here to run the race. I'm here to be consistent and I'm here to follow my plan. Yo, what's up, Yanosh? It's good, J Coop. Try to enter on TFT. TFT's still around. That is kind of shocking. It's good, Usman. What other ladies, bro? Yeah, Wiz Balam. I did take a trade yesterday. What did I take? I think I took. Let's see. Oh yeah, I took a sell. It was a 15-minute breakout at London at 3:30 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, the candle was a little. I don't know. It was a little like iffy or shaky, but yeah, it tapped me in and then went right up and hit my stop. But it was a great trade. Lowered my risk, so small loss. On to the next.
Charts for stream? Yeah, let's take a look. So that's what we were looking for here. Potential rejection to that zone there. Nice little 30-minute support. And we should be off to the races. Let's take a look here at charts for stream while we wait. So we got, where are we? Okay, so clean range, entry after price broke the highs, got activated because of spread. Okay, breakout candle, stop loss below the range, closed full at 10 pip loss after price broke its own low. Daily 4-hour both pushing up. Clean range to the left, anticipated volume. Yeah, I think our problem in this position was we're just so overextended. So like you see where the nearest support is now? So it's been a while since we had a new support. So that may have been what slowed things down a bit there. So that's why I really don't like taking buys at a point like that. I'd rather see like some sort of like a bearish pullback here and then take more buys, because then you have like a brand new range here. That's kind of like what we're waiting for now, where you get this new range and then you can go ahead and take your buys on the way up. Yeah, you get a better price, you get a new support. Yeah, so I think that's all. Nothing too crazy, just the overextendedness of that of those candles there. Yeah, if you notice, like, see, that's what we're looking for here, is at 30 minutes to potentially close bullish, giving us a brand new support there. So instead of taking the buys up here, we wait for a pullback and then we look for that support. Yeah, good shot at it though. Good shot. What else we got here? We got bearish day despite the bullish trend. Okay, price overextended, tapped into 4-hour resistance, began falling, breaking the lows, ended getting BE. Yeah, break even most likely here because we're fighting that bullish trend. So that's why the fades aren't fading. They're not working to the best, to the downside, because we're just super bullish. Yeah.
And chill gold.
So we got 2 minutes. So see if this candle can close. If it can close like right around here, that'd be just perfecto.
Set out perfectly for 9:30. That'll be great. See the fireworks.
Buys or sells? I'm looking more towards buys right now. Yeah, I really like that 30 broke the high there. Very nice. We got volume coming here. Do I feel a bit overextended on the 1 hour? Absolutely. Absolutely. But so far 30's given a new support, 15's given a great little pullback. So that might be all you get here today.
Yeah.
I smell 4-hour wick fill. 4-hour, 1 hour wick fill too. Yee. 9:15. Calm down. Calm down.
Yeah. Damn. 9:15.
I'm in buys up
Yeah,
400. Nice,
wait.
Ron. Nice, nice. All right, this is 9:15 here. So 30 closed bullish, creating support. Got a pretty decent rejection wick to the left. You've got no top wick on this candle. So 9:30 looks pretty good to continue up. We were waiting on that support. I think if we can get a lower wick here, then everything looks pretty decent. I'm probably going to go like 1, probably 2 contracts on the break of the highs here. Yeah, come 9:30, if we re-break those highs, we should move up. I think now we have an opportunity to create a top wick on that candle and potentially move on up into that resistance. 4 hour looks good. to continue ripping up here as well. If you don't like this with that resistance in the way, then what you can do is wait for a closure above there.
It looks smaller from the high to the resistance, but it's like a 20 pip range.
Yeah, it's like 20, 22.
Not bad. Yeah. You're gonna use current candle stops or?
Yeah, I'm gonna use current candle stops.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm gonna keep stops nice and tight here. I think they're gonna be like right around like 20 pips. Yeah, 20 pips. I'm gonna risk like 300 bucks. So I usually would risk like 1,000, but I'm creeping on like the last couple hundred of this combine here, so I'm gonna keep it small. Let's see if 930 has what it takes to continue this bullish run here.
Do we have volume?
Your Wi-Fi was out? Nah, I got a buy stop here though. $30 close with no wick at the top. Which one? This one? Yeah. No wick on the top there. We're just overall pretty bullish. We do have news coming out in about 30 minutes as well, so just be aware of that. Be aware, be aware.
Oh.
All right, I'm gonna go break even on this trade.
W. That was some crazy volume.
Gonna move stops and profit here. There we go. I think that passes my combine.
Let's go. Lovely, brother.
Yeah, I think I'm out. Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes,
Our
sir.
boy, brother. Next
Top
stop
step.
payout, G.
Pay the fee.
I get down.
Pay the fee.
Next stop's payout, G.
W. W gang. This will probably continue ripping, but
Congrats,
I'm out
bro.
for obvious purposes. Let's go. W's.
Congrats, bro. Way to execute your edge.
W's. This will keep running here, chat. I'm out for obvious reasons, but you got a big bullish move coming here.
Damn, bro.
Yeah.
It's a juice box.
Oh yeah. Combine passed. Yes, sir.
Good work. Good
930
work.
cheat code.
Oh boy.
Wow. Wow.
Damn. All right. Peace.
There you have it. You've all been scammed one more time here on the TT live stream. Don't spend it all in one place. I love that I passed it with the juice box here, man.
At 9:32.
Yeah, I'd close partials here if I were you guys.
Perfect trade to pass on.
Went 4 contracts. Nice, dude. Damn. Let's go, Trav.
Ooh.
Let's go, chat. Let's
Travis,
go, chat.
bro.
So you see how 930 this resistance here didn't stand a chance, right? So once we've officially made that support, that's what I mean about really not prioritizing that resistance like that, especially during high times of volume. Oh man, October. We up. We already up in October.
Wow, wow.
Holy. Day 1, we
This
passed
volume.
the combine. I like it. C Melly, we did it.
Facts.
Hey, shout out to C Melly because he challenged me. He challenged me the first week of I think it was like September. Was it? Yeah, he challenged me to go ahead and get serious about a combine here. That was yeah, that was like Wednesday. I think that was like this Wednesday. So Friday I grabbed it, got off to a great start. Monday just really hit, and then every other day was just about average. Yeah, just pushed our way through. So good stuff, C Melly. Oh, what's this? Is that new?
What?
That little, see how it's gray in the middle?
No, I think that's been there.
Oh, okay.
See, Melly, you too? Let's go. Congrats, bro.
Wow.
Yeah,
What
man,
a
this is the
move.
trade to do it.
What a move.
Yeah, great move.
We shouldn't be happy. Check BTC. I don't let BTC control my mood. Otherwise, I'd probably go crazy and jump off of a bridge. What's the combine? The combine's like a challenge account. Yeah, 150K combine it was. Yep. Yep.
So what's your best piece of advice to those who are trying to pass a funded account, Top Step?
Listen to the things we say here on a day-to-day basis. There's no secret. We give all the secrets away every day. Every single day.
Good answer.
Wow, look at this thing. I think this would be my overall TP right here. We're probably I would have closed right there, yeah. Wow, that's 130 pip. About time we caught it's been a minute since we caught a 130 pip move.
Yeah, the volume just smacked my TP too.
Nice. Yeah, that one was ripping. Let's go, BCRYS. Holy, this thing's juicing.
Damn. All right, on to the next.
Don't try to fade this thing. What's gold called on Top Step? It's gonna be GCZ, like zebra, 24. And then if you want to use the other one, it's M, like Mary, MGC. That's nice to be in and out before the news like that.
Yes. Perfect on.
Yeah, my other recommendation would be, like I always say, base hits win ball games. So if you notice, again, my average winning trade on this 150,000, let's just call it a 9K account. On a 9K account, my average win was $343. So there's a reason why we brought C Melly up to talk with you guys about that template. Not so that you can maybe, get the template and use it, but to really show you that base hits truly win ball games, right? Like you can make $343 a day, right? And you do that every day. Imagine this for a month. What is it? 343. So 343. That's like almost $7,000 a month, right? So you don't need to swing for the fences every day. Did I get my little home runs? I did. And I explained all this in the webinar about what I did, why I went big on these trades, and all that good stuff. Just rewatch the webinar for that. But yeah, I would just say these base hits win. And another thing I've done is I've managed risk a little bit better here.
Risk,
yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so managing risk and then taking your profits, right, with those base hits.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, beautiful move. Beauty.
Yeah, really good move, man. And we were good with, I was good with current candle stops there. One, because those were the most logical stops for me. Two, I was able to manage my risk accordingly. And then 3, we had 932. So I was good with those stops.
Yeah. This is why we do what we do. This is a big reason why we do what we do. I passed 5 50K challenges as well. Come on. Come on, man.
You Melly.
See
See Melly,
Melly.
man.
See Melly made
That boy is
millies.
dangerous.
Johnny made millies. I just want to see everyone up. In October, I just want to see everyone winning.
I do too, bro.
Let's go, Cannon. Happy for you, man. Happy for you, bro. W. Now just keep that
Thanks,
today.
Cannon.
Keep that. This is another reason I do what I do. Oh, actually, this was a direct message, so I won't share that one. McLaren's coming. Don't go buy yourself a McLaren today.
You in your first trade, you buy yourself a McLaren.
Yeah. But yeah, so now we'll get news to come in here in about 20 minutes. This thing was a rocket ship. 147 pip move here. Nice.
Yeah, lovely move. Lovely move.
Josh is already at the Lambo dealer. Go in there and smell the seats, man. Feel the steering wheel. I think we have an update here on the current standings for the TTE versus ASFX competition if y'all would like to see. So this is what we got. My man still holding first place. Although he's a TTE member, it says ASFX. That's all right. That's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
So, what team is he on?
Apparently he's on ASFX.
Okay.
It was an accident. But my man Buzz Blab's in there. My man, who else we got?
Boy,
Who
Buzz Blab.
else?
My boy Buzzblab.
Oh, Jaguar's in there. Holy! Let's go. We're rooting for you, bro. Where's Jaguar? Jaguar's sitting in third. W, bro. Yeah, number 1 seed is really a TTE member. I'm gonna have to message top 1 about that. But yo, let's switch that, bro. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, nice. So those are your current standings.
Yo, Alf Stacks, bro. Beautiful. Way to execute your system.
See Melly, good work, bro. 400 this morning, ended up, wow, yeah, nice job, Alf Stacks.
Alf Stacks. Yeah, see Melly, congrats, brother. Let's go. Love to see it. And Alf Stacks, like that's like the day of a trader, you know, like that's the life of a trader. They just be going down and up money. Like it's nothing. No care. Norbin, yes sir, bro. I could see it. And that's great, bro. That's the important thing. You're making improvements. And you're learning.
Yep. So yeah, so now we'll get news coming in. We'll see what's happening. If that was them pushing price in or what. Big blessings. Can you explain the trade again? Absolutely. So basically this trade was taken, so we were patiently waiting here for the 15-minute to give us some type of support, right? So we're looking for that support on the 15-minute time frame. We didn't want to take any buys up here or here, so we just waited, right? 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, just a long wait. And then eventually there was some good looks here, right? So now you got the break of the high, which was also the break of that 30-minute high. So that was one entry. I think the best, safest entry was the one that we took, which was having a 30 closure. So remember we talked about price coming into this zone here, tapping into that zone long before that happened. So that's what we wanted to see. We wanted to see that touch, and then we needed to see some sort of a bullish closure right above here, whether 15, 30, whatever. And then line that up for 9:30, because we know that 9:30 is going to be the big push in most days, right? So that's it. You know, we waited patiently. We've seen it play out on the 15. We've seen the support form on the 30 along with that rejection wick. You had 9:30 coming in, bottom wick form, buy stops. Boom. Break even would have been here, and then target, you know, somewhere up here. But once I seen, I think I was, yeah, see, I passed this by like 200 bucks. So once I seen what I needed, I just closed it. That's what you call smart.
Yep.
Some of y'all are like, man, I almost passed my challenge. I was actually even up. It was actually passed. But I had to hold for that full TP, and yeah, man, now I'm down 400 bucks. Like, what?
That just doesn't make sense.
Like, what? So yeah, so that's kind of like why I did what I did. But other than that, yeah, full TP for me would have been right there. That was about 100 pips. Like John said too, this was like 25 pips from like here to here. 22.
Yeah. Looks small, but it was pretty big.
300. There you go. There you go. Coming up. Coming on up. So this is what it looks like to battle, right? So
nice.
Battling back now. I love this. Entering back into the green. What a winner. What a savage.
Way to bounce back at a drawdown.
400. Very good. Beautiful.
Nice. Crushing it, Norbin.
Norbin coming back, baby. That was Sly too. Sly coming out. Good work, bro. Yeah, we're $1 above. I'm out of there.
Seriously. You know the exact amount you need, bro, before you even take the trade.
To be honest, I forgot how much I needed. I was like doing the math in my head as I was looking at the P&L.
It's funny.
Yeah, actually, I think when
let's go, J-Mac.
When I close, you see how I closed the first time? If you go back and watch the YouTube, I actually closed out the TP by mistake. So it was like, I think it was like $400 over what I needed. And then I was like, oh, snap. And then closed the position.
Yep. Yeah, beautiful Sly. That's perfect. That's what I would do too. Not even focus on the payout, not even focus on the P&L, just focus on my trading. Yeah, J-Mac, bro. Times are edge, bro. We'll get there. 100%. It's like 3 feet from gold, bro. You just gotta keep working. Like, you could at any time be 3 feet away from gold. Like 1 month, your entire life could change. Right? 1 month you can pass your account. 1 month you can get the biggest payout of your life. So it's just always working and keeping that hope and faith right in the back of you. But yeah, let's go. Yeah, Sly, that's awesome though. Who are you with? Are you with Top Step?
Oh my gosh.
Top Step, nice, bro. Nova funding as well. Sir.
Sheesh.
I should have held.
Man, I should have held. Do I use a trailing stop loss? I was trailing stops there until I seen that I had everything I needed and I just closed it. Yeah. Like in this case, if I wasn't like approaching the like passing the combine, I would have just trailed stops on this one. You see now you can see the volume that was in it, right? How you just see that there was volume coming in. So yeah, I would have probably just kept trailing on that. Good old juicer.
Juicer. I could always go for a juicer.
My first time being online and watching the playbook. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome.
Welcome.
So, and then look, this is why you don't get all defeated. You know what I mean? When you take a loss or something in the day, because I mean that was what $320 loss, and then you come right back with a what is it? $500 or $900 win. So that's the importance of managing. See, this is my day, right? So I started off my day going into drawdown and then popped up, right? Because the loss was way smaller than the win. And that's what you'll see more here now that we're kind of managing risk a little bit differently, is bigger wins, smaller losses. And this is what we've been working on. You know, it's taken time. I'll be honest. It's taken a good year, but we have seen many improvements, and that's just how the game goes. Things take time.
Yep.
I'm holding Nas bleeder. Holy. Can you actually pass funded account watching the YouTube in the clubhouse? I don't want to say, I'm not going to guarantee anything, but let's just say we've had about 9 people pass on the clubhouse, and sheesh, for the live stream, man, we've probably had over 100, 120 people pass challenges at least throughout the last year and a half.
Probably even more.
Short answer, yes. Yeah, I don't want to guarantee it. I mean, I'm just here taking trades, but yeah, you can do pretty well. We've seen a lot of lives change over the past 18, 19 months.
Oh yeah.
All good, B-Dub. All good, brother.
Yeah.
You know, yesterday my dad hit a beautiful shot from the fairway. He got it like 2 feet from the hole, and guess what happened? He screamed the F word. I'm thinking that's pretty damn good shot to me, right? But he wasn't happy, you know what I mean? So yeah, just be happy with your win, take your lesson, bam, and move on.
Thanks, bro. Now you know it. For future reference, there will be a lot of more trades exactly like this. There will be a lot of more trades at 9:30. So, bro, now you got that lesson for a lifetime.
Yeah, we're gonna make a Discord. David said you should make a Discord section for everyone who passes their funded account. So we have one already, but in the clubhouse, we're gonna probably make a testimonial section there. Nice. Yeah, good work, B-Dub. Good work. Be happy, man. Be happy. It was a good trade. You said you were looking at the 15, right? So you took profit here, which by the way isn't bad, right? I mean, it's still like 22 pips.
Yeah. I mean, I took profit a little bit more above there, more like at that white line, a little bit above the white line.
Nice. Yeah, I took mine like right about there. Wow. We're ripping.
Yeah, you just. Yeah. Yo, chat, is anyone holding their full position still?
If you are, God bless you.
Close. If you are, close. Yeah, B-Dub, that's a good lesson too. It's like, all right, next time for 930, let's go to the optimistic TP. You know, like let's hold for that larger TP, you know,
Yeah.
because we got 930 volume.
Remember we talked about that in the webinar as well, that based off of the data, the best time to hold, if there's going to be any time, is going to be 930. That's just what the data has told us about when to hold trades longer than others. My target has already been slapped. My target was tapped 61 pips ago, full target.
Yeah, bro. I meant to drag my TP up a bit too, but it was too late.
Got 80 pips. Nice job, Usman.
Lovely.
Oh my God, Kingston's wilding right now.
Now what? We wait for a pullback, bring it to the clubhouse.
Yeah, I gotta step out real quick and go get some milk.
Yeah, bet. I'm about to go get a walk-in.
What time is it?
On the
10?
fire trade. Go talk to myself on the walk.
Those cookies look gas. Yeah, let's get another look at that cookie. Holy,
Bro. Damn, I might have to go pull up to that tonight.
bro, this was truly epic. Truly epic.
You got another one, bro? At home?
I might.
There's no way you only got one.
Truly epic.
Yeah. Best crumble cookie ever.
Yeah. Yeah, there's wars going on out here, man. Gold just juicing. Yes, payouts are all going to crumble. That's right, that's right.
Crumble cookie funded by Top Step.
So you guys gonna get this milk? I'll see you soon.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah, 4-hour juice up there, nice.
Daily target tapped. Yeah, just about. Yep, just pushed into that resistance. Yep. Yeah, daily target. Oh, nice, TK. Okay, thank you, bro. TK put a little new channel in the Discord there. W. What cookie was that? I'm not too sure, John. What cookie was that?
That was the Oreo milk and cookie milkshake. Or, yeah, it was the Oreo milkshake, sorry.
Oreo milkshake.
Oreo milkshake.
Wow, what a move. What a move. So here comes the news now. Are we going to just continue ripping, or what shall we do here?
Price needs some time to form some candlesticks for a new play.
All-time highs. Can we go? 30 looks like it wants to explode. Yeah, I won't be taking any trades as of right now at all. Hey, where's my email? Do I get an email from these guys or what? What's the next steps?
Yeah, check your emails. Maybe they already hit you up.
Oh, they email you at the end of the day. Okay, cool, cool. You think do I get my account by tomorrow or tonight? Yeah? Oh, nice. W tonight? Beautiful.
Tonight.
Beautiful. What did they say? Did they say anything good? Big trades should come only after you've proved yourself. Small trades, consider starting off small profits. Blah, blah. Sunday appears to be your most challenging day. Yeah, I mean, I don't take trades on Sunday.
Monday.
Does it give you like a new tip every time? Yeah. Your largest win was 1,700.
Those tips, bro.
Yeah, overall solid little account build there. All right, see you tomorrow, my friend. Where's my email? Nice, nice, nice. Cool, Rob Trades. All right, so I think I'm gonna call it here. I gotta step out of the house for a few minutes, run to the store. Great trade, chat. Way to stay patient, way to stay disciplined here, and just look for the best opportunity. You know, not deviating from the plan, just sticking to it, and that's when you get rewarded. So we were able to get rewarded here today, which was lovely. Get on the board early here in October. And let's build some momentum as we move into this month here. Yeah, it should be a phenomenal month. Phenomenal.
Good work. It's going to be the best month of our life, man.
Yes, sir. I will see the rest of you guys in the clubhouse this afternoon. Probably, you may want to chill for a little bit and then let price kind of do its thing right now. And then we may get some more trades here in the afternoon. So I think I'm over and out, gang. Great trade here today. John, thanks for pulling up and being with us.
Yes, sir, bro.
Taking this.
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome.
Go work, go work.
Chat, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Everybody else, I'll see you guys in the clubhouse. Love y'all, and yes, I do love y'all because you guys are the movers, you're the shakers, you're the guys and girls that are separating yourself from the masses, and I love those type of people. So let's get it, gang. I believe in y'all. Put in the work here. Let's get after it.
Let's go.
Good start to the month.
Peace, chat.
See you guys later. Peace.
Have a good day, y'all. Peace.
Later.
This all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm down. Now I'm up like like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and the mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big, big, big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick, 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 boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff. Probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where I was down, but now I'm up. Let's go. Yeah. This all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up.
Daddy, you sure you know what you're doing?
I wake up, I come on. I wake up, I come on. I wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. No one ever saw the vision. Told me I was too young, too calm in this game, but I ain't vision. Something different, yeah, they turned me down. Told me I was tripped. Now we're planning trips and plotting on the mission. And because my age, man, it's been division. Dissipate away, man, it's my decision. Never been forced. Honestly, it's sick, and now they making claims. That is so insane. Talking about our change, but I've been this way. They said your dream's too big. Now take a look at what I did. I'm about to take over the game. No questions, boy, that's it. I wake up and swear to God. Blessings, never stressing. Every night I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah, I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. I know they hate. I pay them no attention. They tryna imitate me, but I should probably mention there's only one other kid could care less about what you did or what you doing. Honestly, it's too concentrated on my biz. I don't got time for the games. Don't pay no mind to these lames. I'm in my own separate lane. I mean, I'm just saying, I've gone and put in all this work. I seen how far I can get. See all the hate, it don't work. We got the plan, no I wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. Every night I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah, I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low.
Daddy, you sure you know what you're doing?
Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Whoa, last time I checked, I'm still hot. Real hot. Kept it dope without a pill pop. Bill Cos, steady climbing to the hilltop. Tip top, did it all off of a TikTok. Yeah, last time I checked, I still that guy that did it on my own. Stay independent. For you to get what I'm getting, it will probably take a village. Just give me a minute, turn a snippet to a hit, and now they all want a percentage, but I'm only paying visits. Big dog, hit 'em with thick thumbs and a quick draw. Pit boss, if they ain't playing, they getting kicked off. Jigsaw, I got 'em puzzled, got 'em a bit lost. It's a feeding frenzy, I put a beat in a pig trough. Got it on lock, got the password. Type of thing you couldn't manufacture. 10,000 hours, got it mastered. Can't you see the patterns? Last time I checked, I'm still hot. Real hot, kept it dope without a pill pop. Bill Cos, steady climbing to the hilltop. Tip top, did it all off of a TikTok. Yeah, last time I checked, I still hot. Real hot, kept it dope without a pill pop. Bill Cos, steady climbing to the hilltop. Tip top, did it all off of a TikTok. Yeah, last time I checked, I'm still the man in my town, they had to crown me. What I used to make
making a day, I make it hourly.
Told Grand, send me a beat and make it bouncy. When they hear the tag, they know it's about to be
Big scene, catching us on the big screen.
16, bar slicker is pristine.
Let's stream, everything that we spit clean.
Big jeans, pockets are looking mint green.
Pen game bulletproof.
Look at all the levels that we took it to.
Sticking out like a crooked tooth.
Staring at the mirror like, look at you. Damn, I'm still hot, real hot. Kept it dope without a pill pop.
Bill Cosby,
Steady climbing to the hilltop.
tip top.
Did it all off of a TikTok. Yeah,
Last time I checked, I